The live question come in to say, how often would you suggest training staff on these type of things? And I think that's a super interesting question. I know we said we'd come to training at the end, but I wonder if you could give us an insight as to what you would share with your clients about these kind of topical conversations, and the frequency of training.
If we go back to the SRA's last guidance note on training, they made it really clear that they thought that training, AML training, is an ongoing obligation. So relying solely on annual or biannual updates is is probably not enough under the SRA approach. Um, they would expect you to be thinking about other opportunities for training. So training doesn't have to be very prescriptive, sit down in front of a class um, and or do a workshop or something like that. Training can be much more informal. Um, incorporate all of the online training that you can do, all the bite-sized stuff. There's some really good resources out there. You can incorporate, just those moments that you can get with your team to sit down and just identify potentially where there's been an issue or a question that you can sit them down and go through the answer with them on a one-to-one or a small team basis. So it's not something that you can say, oh, we just do it once a year or once every 2 years. I don't think I think the world has moved on since then.